Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing very well. I'm your teacher Friha. Nowadays you are enjoying your holidays, but still we have to follow up our studies as well. So today I'm going to take your maths class, and our first class is our pre-writing class, and it is very interesting. First of all, I'm going to teach you the basic lines. First, we are going to learn about the vertical lines. So, vertical starts with V. Make a V with me like this, and we have two standing lines there like this. So, always keep in mind that vertical lines are the standing lines. Vertical lines are the standing lines. And then comes the horizontal lines. So, it has a H in horizontal. So, H has a slipping line. So, always keep in mind that slipping lines are the horizontal lines. After this, we are going to learn about the patterns. So, here is a circle, a square, then a circle, then a square. So, what comes after square? Can you see this? Here comes the circle, okay? So, we will do the activity with me. Okay, dear students, now we are going to learn about the vertical lines as the raindrops fall from the sky to the earth in a vertical form. So, here are the vertical lines. These are the vertical lines from top to bottom. We also call this standing line. What we call this? Standing line. What are these? These are the vertical lines. These are the vertical lines. Okay, everyone, let's learn about the horizontal lines first. As I already told you, horizontal lines are the slipping lines as well. So, we have to help the dog to reach its house by drawing the horizontal line. So, this is the horizontal line. Again, help the squirrel to reach the tree with drawing the horizontal line. Okay. Now, help the fish to reach its jar by drawing the horizontal line. We are drawing the horizontal lines, and these are the horizontal lines. We also call this slipping line, but we call this slipping line. Well done. Now you have to make the ladder like this by making the horizontal lines like this. Okay, dear ones, now we are going to practice the vertical lines first and the horizontal lines. Okay, first we are going to practice the vertical lines. You all have to repeat when you are writing these lines. Top to bottom, vertical lines, top to bottom, like this. These are the straight standing lines, but we call these vertical lines. These are the standing lines. We have to follow the dots from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Now, let's do the practice of horizontal lines. From left to right, or you can do the horizontal line from right to left as well. These are the slipping lines as well. We can call these lines horizontal lines and slipping line too. The practice is done. Okay, now dear ones, we are going to practice the pattern. Okay, let's read the pattern first and then we'll see what we have to do. We have to color the next shape. Okay, so the first one is circle, square, circle, square. So what comes after square? The square or the circle? The circle comes after the square. So we will color the circle. You all have to do the boundary first and fill it like this. So let's do the next pattern. There's a love heart, then a triangle, love heart, triangle. So what comes after triangle? Is this the heart or the triangle? It's the heart. So let's color it. First of all, we have to do the boundaries and then we will fill the heart. Now let's do the next pattern. There is an oval and there is an octagon, then an oval, octagon, and then what comes? The oval or the octagon? The oval. Okay, let's do the next pattern. There's a square, star, square, star. So what comes after the star? It's the square. So in this pattern, we have hexagon, diamond shape, then hexagon, then diamond shape. So what comes after diamond shape? The hexagon. So we have to color this. And we have to follow the same procedure. And if you see this, following the same procedure, we have to color this. It's done. Okay, you all have to practice the same page at home. Allah Hafiz, take care.